Additional supply depots. Your forces are under attack.
Waiting on you.
Up, ready to go.
Ready.
Additional supply depots required.
It's heating up out
Rescue
here.
geyser exhausted.
Hell back, coming through. I can't build here. Got the extra firepower. Coming through.
Nuclear missile ready.
It's heating up out here.
Give me the sit rep.
Got the extra firepower. Made for battle.
TvZ ready.
Vespine geyser exhausted. Complete.
Yatch!
Mineral
It's getting
field
too hot.
add-on complete. Not enough energy.
In the rear with the gear. Boy, is here. Go ahead.
TvZ ready.
I hear you. Hell back. Coming through.
Speak up.
Fighter.
Ghost reporting.
Lay it on. Go. What's that? Need something? Give us your best. What's up? Ready.
Nuclear missile ready.
Got no patience. Up, ready to go.
Hell back. Coming through.
Your forces are under attack. Base is under attack.
Hell back. Coming through.
TvZ ready.
Talk to me, Bunk.
Where's the emergency?
Boy, is here. Fighter.
What's up? Go ahead.
Base is under attack.
Firepower.
Vespine gas.
Go ahead. It's
Insufficient
heating up out
Vespine
here.
gas.
Coming through.
Load up. What's that? Give us your best shot. Got no patience. Speak up.
Hell back. Coming through.
Base is under attack.
Can't hold them alone.
Got no patience. Sitting around.
Made for battle.
Mineral field Vespine geyser required for placement.
Hell back. Coming through.
Mineral field completed.
Get me out of this mess.
Hell back. Coming through. In the rear. Go ahead. I can't build here.
Mineral field SCVs are under attack.
Hell back. Coming through.
TvZ ready.
Mineral field completed.
Give us your best shot.
Hell back.
Insufficient Vespine upgrade complete.
Huh? Daylight.
Well, you got both packs of Hellions?
Hell back. Coming through.
Our SCVs are under attack.
Oh, SCV!
Mineral
Yes!
field depleted.
You the man!
Base is under attack.
Talk to me, boss. I'm in a heap of trouble. Ready? Let's do this. Oh, really?
Mineral field depleted.
Hell back. Coming through. What's the story?
Ghost reporting.
Ready for pickup?
SCV ready. Hell back. Coming through. It's heating up out here. Talk to me.
Mineral field depleted.
Talk to me.
SCV ready.
How'd it go straight?
Somebody get me out of this mess. Somebody get me out of this mess.
What is it?
SCV ready.
Loud and clear.
Vespine Geyser exhausted. Your forces are under attack.
Any extra
Vespine
firepower?
Geyser exhausted. Mineral field depleted.
Bad news?
Waiting on you.
SCV ready.
Heading out.
Mineral field depleted.
Hellback coming through.
Okay.
Ready to plunder. Thor is here.
Copy that.
Stop killing my fucking ghosts.
Getting fired up here, boss. Thor is here.
Okay, now I
Mineral
can
field
push.
depleted. Additional mineral fields depleted. Mineral field depleted.
Sure thing. Yes, Commander. Hellback coming through.
Additional supply depots required. Your forces are under attack.
Hellback coming through.
Mineral field base is under attack.
Hellback coming through.
Vespine Geyser exhausted.
Hellback coming through. Are you ready for this?
Teleporting battlecruiser saves the day.